Today, he's a keeper. And in Miramachi, it's a good one. We didn't think there was anything here, but look what I just got. Good thing we came here.
That's it. Come right towards me. Keep reeling. He's still a ways out. That's it. Muscle him in. Come towards me. A little to the other side. Other side. Other side. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. Keep going. Put him right up. Keep going. Walk on beach. Walk on the beach. Keep going. Keep going. Whoa!
Ooh, that was on my arm a little. He's a big one.
I'm videoing it.
That's a keeper.
Ooh, he's the biggest one by a lot.
Now that's our biggest one. That is, it's my biggest one. It's a nice one. Nice and bright colors. It's a big one, chunky, huh? He'll be good eating.
Oh my God. You got a big one. Keep walking him in, buddy. Walk him in. Okay. When you get on shore, keep going. Keep dragging him. Just keep dragging him. Keep dragging him. Keep going. Hard, hard. Run right up the shore. Keep going. 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 Pull, 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 pull. Pull. Keep pulling him. Pull him up.
He'll be good. It's a nice one. It's a nice fish. I'm gonna throw him back. Okay, he's kind of small. As you can see, my dad's got one right now. I don't know how big it is, but is it a good one? Is it a good one? It's another one right there. He's small, we're gonna put him back too. Okay, so but anyways, we're gonna, he'll be good one. We're gonna keep that, I think. My dad just caught another one there. We're gonna throw him back, I think.
Yeah.
So, yep, I think we caught, but guys, we just got another one. He's a pretty big one there. He'll be good. Nice one. it.